Welcome to ReneEnergy.com, your renewable energy and sustainability platform. At ReneEnergy.com, we believe in the power of clean, sustainable energy to transform the way we live and work. That's why we offer a range of solutions for businesses and homeowners looking to switch to renewable energy sources such as solar, wind, and water. Before we kick off today's episode, let's quickly recap what we covered last time. In our previous episode, we discussed the various methods of producing hydrogen, particularly focusing on the green hydrogen landscape. We explored the technological advancements, costs, and even the challenges that come with making hydrogen a viable alternative to fossil fuels. As we promised, today we shift gears to address an important concern that could significantly impact the effectiveness of hydrogen as an energy carrier: hydrogen embrittlement. Trust us, you'll want to understand this issue fully if you're considering venturing into the hydrogen sector. So let's dive right in, shall we? Today's episode is divided into three main sections, so you can get a comprehensive understanding of this critical subject. First, we'll answer the question, why is hydrogen embrittlement a showstopper? To put it simply, while hydrogen offers us an array of incredible benefits, it's not all smooth sailing. Hydrogen embrittlement is a phenomenon that can weaken metals and compromise the structural integrity of systems designed to contain or transport it. It's a potential obstacle that we must take seriously if hydrogen is to be our energy future. Our second segment is titled The Atom's Influence: How exactly does hydrogen weaken metals? In this part, we will delve deep into the science behind this problem. How do hydrogen atoms interact with metals, and what makes these otherwise robust materials suddenly susceptible to cracking? You'll want to hear this to appreciate the engineering challenges in the hydrogen economy. Last but not least, in at-risk industries, could hydrogen embrittlement affect you? We will identify sectors that could potentially be impacted by this phenomenon. Are you working in one of these sectors? Is your investment at risk? Or is this something you need to consider when looking at green energy solutions? From the automotive industry to renewable energy sectors, hydrogen embrittlement has the potential to be a significant bottleneck, and understanding it fully will arm you with the knowledge you need to make informed decisions. So sit back and tune in, you won't want to miss what we have in store for you. Let's get started. Why is hydrogen embrittlement a deal-breaker? Hydrogen embrittlement is more than just a buzzword, it's a roadblock to the wide-scale adoption of hydrogen technologies. This phenomenon creates a brittle metal structure, reducing its tensile strength and leading to fractures under stress conditions that normally wouldn't be a problem. Simply put, when hydrogen gets involved, metals lose their reliable properties, becoming susceptible to unexpected failures. This issue raises serious questions about the durability and safety of hydrogen-based systems. The atom's influence: the microscopic battle between hydrogen and metal. When you zoom into the atomic level, the mechanisms of hydrogen embrittlement come into focus. Hydrogen atoms are small and can easily penetrate the lattice of metal atoms. Once inside, they form trap sites, which break apart the bonds that are essential to a metal's integrity. This not only weakens the internal structure but also paves the way for cracks to propagate more readily. With time, these microscopic alterations accumulate, causing the material to become unexpectedly fragile. At-risk industries: the high stakes of ignoring hydrogen embrittlement. While the science behind hydrogen embrittlement is fascinating, its real-world implications are sobering. Industries like aviation, automotive, and renewable energy face severe setbacks if they don't properly address this issue. Hydrogen-fueled vehicles, for example, might experience tank or pipeline ruptures, putting lives at risk. Similarly, wind turbines using hydrogen for energy storage could see structural weaknesses leading to breakdowns. It's not just an academic challenge but a critical hurdle that industries must clear to realize the full potential of hydrogen technologies. Mitigating the risks: strategies to counteract hydrogen embrittlement. Though hydrogen embrittlement poses a significant challenge, it's not an insurmountable one. Researchers and engineers are investigating several pathways to reduce its impact. From material selection to specialized coatings and advanced manufacturing processes, the toolkit for fighting embrittlement is growing. Technologies like cryogenic treatments and laser peening are under active research for their potential to improve metal resistance to hydrogen-induced weakening. Regulatory frameworks: setting the standards. As the hydrogen economy grows, so does the need for stringent standards and regulations that address hydrogen embrittlement. International organizations and governments are working in tandem to develop guidelines that both protect consumers and promote innovation. These standards are becoming more sophisticated, often incorporating real-world testing scenarios to ensure that materials can withstand the stresses they will face in operational conditions. The economic impact, costs and benefits of addressing hydrogen embrittlement. There is, of course, an economic angle to this issue. While preventative measures add to the upfront costs, the long-term savings from avoiding catastrophic failures are substantial. Moreover, companies that proactively address these challenges stand to gain a competitive edge in the marketplace, especially as consumers become more educated about the safety and durability of hydrogen-based systems. Looking ahead, the future of hydrogen technologies. The ongoing research and industrial commitment to overcoming hydrogen embrittlement provide an optimistic outlook. The future will likely see the creation of new alloys, better diagnostic methods, and even computational tools for predicting embrittlement-related failures before they occur. All these developments will serve to make hydrogen a more reliable and robust option for our energy needs, opening doors for wider applications across various sectors. Final thoughts: a hurdle, not a roadblock. The landscape of the challenge. Hydrogen embrittlement poses a formidable challenge in the world of materials science and engineering. While the issue has garnered a reputation as a showstopper, it's important to reframe this perspective. The term roadblock suggests an insurmountable obstacle, whereas hurdle implies a challenge that can be overcome with the right approach and tools. Scientific advances, the engine of progress. Over the last decade, significant breakthroughs in metallurgy and surface coatings have made strides in mitigating hydrogen embrittlement. These advancements often come from interdisciplinary collaborations, involving not just materials scientists but also experts in chemistry, physics, and data science. For example, nanotechnology has opened doors for creating materials with modified surface properties that resist hydrogen invasion. Moreover, computational methods like machine learning and molecular dynamics simulations offer predictive models that can alert us to embrittlement risks before catastrophic failure occurs. Public awareness, the catalyst for change. In recent years, the general public has become more informed and concerned about sustainable and safe energy solutions. This rising awareness is a potent catalyst for change. As consumers demand more responsible practices from industries, it propels businesses to invest more in R&D for safer hydrogen applications. This not only instigates further advancements but also helps in securing funding and policy support for tackling embrittlement issues. International collaboration, a network of solutions. Hydrogen as a fuel isn't limited by geographical boundaries. Neither should the solutions for its challenges, like embrittlement. International research collaborations, knowledge sharing, and even harmonization of safety standards can accelerate the development of effective mitigation strategies. For instance, a research consortium spanning multiple countries could pool resources to fast-track the development of embrittlement-resistant materials. The path forward: integrated strategies. As hydrogen technologies continue to scale, it's imperative that strategies for mitigating embrittlement risks evolve in tandem. This involves ongoing research, improvements in material design, the development of real-time monitoring systems, and global partnerships. The multifaceted nature of this challenge requires a holistic strategy, and each advancement gets us one step closer to making hydrogen a safe and economically viable alternative to fossil fuels. As we wrap up another insightful episode on our YouTube channel here at ReneEnergy.com, we want to leave you with this thought: challenges like hydrogen embrittlement, while significant, are not insurmountable roadblocks but rather hurdles on the path to cleaner, more sustainable energy solutions. Thank you for tuning in, and we look forward to bringing you more content that not only educates but inspires action. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated on all things related to green energy and sustainability. See you in the next episode. Thank you for choosing ReneEnergy.com as your go-to source for all things renewable energy and sustainability. With our YouTube channel, we explore the latest developments and innovations in the field, including hydrogen fuel cells and the use of AI and machine learning to optimize energy consumption. If you're ready to take the next step towards a cleaner, more sustainable future, visit us at ReneEnergy.com and discover the many ways we can help you transition to renewable energy. Thank you for watching and subscribing. Stay up to date on all the latest news and insights by subscribing today.